I've had it. I'm exposing the truth on the affiliate marketing scam once and for all. And for those of you that don't know me, I'm Josh Smith, aka the Dadtrepreneur. I've been doing affiliate marketing and digital marketing since early 2020 and have made well into seven figures doing it. 2022, September, I retired from my 9 to 5 lifestyle forever. And now I'm a busy stay-at-home dad of three who does digital marketing and likes to expose the truth on how it really works. So if you've been wanting to know how affiliate marketing really works and how people are actually making money on the internet, make sure you hit that follow button, save this video, and share it with a friend in need because I'm about to expose all the truth. Brands like Amazon, Walmart, Target, Lululemon, Sephora, Lego will indeed not pay you to review their products. In fact, even like these people that you see out here talking about the Amazon influencer program where you never have to show your face on camera and all you have to do is make review videos and Amazon pays you, they're all full of crap and they're trying to get you into their thing so that you'll buy the thing that they're promoting. How the Amazon influencer program really works is if you create review videos, Amazon will post those videos on specific products. When somebody watches 30 seconds or more of your review on that product and then purchases, Amazon will pay you. They won't actually pay you just to post review videos. You actually have to have a basic understanding of SEO and what people are searching for on Amazon to have any chance of ranking one of these videos. Trust me, I've made over 30 of these videos myself, and I've made just over $1,600 with the Amazon influencer program. Oh, and by the way, you need a big social media following in the first place to get approved. Second, Lego, Lululemon, Sephora, Amazon, Walmart, they're not gonna pay you to review their products for 2 to 3 hours a day from home. Trust me, I used to make videos just like this. It doesn't feel good because it's actually lying to people. What they pay you for and what affiliate marketing really is marketing these products as a third-party affiliate. And when somebody buys because of your marketing efforts, those companies will pay you a commission. Another common theme, when somebody buys, as an affiliate marketer, companies are not paying you to wear their products or to flaunt their products out in public or even talk about them or review them on the internet. They're paying you when your marketing efforts result in somebody buying something. And this is why, as a 4-year affiliate marketer myself, I quit. I am no longer building my personal brand, putting my reputation around affiliate products, at least not on the front end. I am switching to low ticket digital products. In fact, I've been going through this transition for about the last 2 or 3 months now. It has been one of the most freeing, most relieving, and most profitable transitions I've ever made in my business. The days of making 5 to 7 second long videos on the internet, baiting somebody into watching your content and then switching it as soon as they go to your website are quickly fading. The FTC is cracking down, affiliate programs are getting more and more strict, and the average consumer is getting a heck of a lot smarter. They want to buy something from somebody that they actually trust, who's willing to show up and actually tell them what it is that they're actually doing instead of pretending like they're pooping on the potty and making $180,000 a year. Not how it works. All that to say this, if you are a current digital or affiliate marketer making side hustle videos or talking about things that you don't actually do, or only sharing half the truth, telling people that they're gonna make 3 to 5K a month promoting or reviewing products on the internet for 2 to 3 hours a day, do better. If you know better, do better. And if you're somebody who actually wants to learn how to make money online in a legitimate way from somebody like myself who's been through it all, who's done the stuff that is questionable, who has done the stuff that is completely legit, and who has made an effort to clean everything up, to learn from his mistakes, and to move forward with his best foot forward in a way that actually helps people, then stick around because you're going to learn a lot over the coming months from my channel. Especially if you want to learn real marketing principles that will help you grow. And if you like Instagram, you know, that other app, I am all about helping people. I've got over 550 customers the last 34 days who have paid me and bought one of my low ticket products to learn how to grow on Instagram because they like the way I market and they've seen the transition in my business. They know I'm legit, they know I'm here to help, and they know that I have your best interest in mind. So instead of going to tell you to get my free ebook now or comment a specific word so I can send you my free beginner's guide that's going to show you how to get started, but really it's just going to lead to an affiliate offer. Yes, I have one of those. If you want to check it out at any time, feel free. But instead, I'm just going to encourage you to stick around, pay attention to what's going on, see the way that people are actually marketing and carrying themselves on the internet. And then if you want to buy something from me a few days down the road, a week, a week or two down the road, or a couple months down the road, it's all good. I promise you, hit that follow button and stick around because it's about to get good.